Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing infected Dr. Fluffypants from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's start by drawing the first set of eyes. Let's draw two small angles down, and then a circular curve underneath each one. Now inside each eye, let's add a circle. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the second set of eyes. Again, let's start with an angled line, and then a circular curve underneath. And again, a circle inside each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the nose. Let's start underneath in the center, and let's draw a line across. Then from both ends, let's bring it down. Then curve it in towards the center and down from both sides. Now underneath the nose, let's add the mouth. Let's start with an S-shaped curve out on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw two curved V-shapes for the first set of teeth. Then a larger one next to each one. And then one more on both sides like this. And now from the sides, let's draw a curve up and in. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the eyes and let's draw a curve across. Then from the sides, let's curve it down and in like this. And then to close off the bottom, let's draw a curve underneath behind the teeth. That's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move up and let's draw the horns. Let's start on the top and let's draw an S-shaped curve over and then bring it up. And the same on the right. Now from the top, let's curve it down. And then bring it back into the head. Next, inside each horn, let's add a curve. Now let's hop down on the sides of the heads, and let's add the ears by drawing a curve out and bringing it back in. And the same on the other side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the bottom left of the head and let's draw a wavy line going out with two bumps. And the same on the right side. Now from the end, let's curve it up. And then underneath, let's draw another set of curves. And then one more angling down like this. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start above the top line and let's draw a curve up. And the same on the other side. Then let's add another curve up and curve it down on both sides for the thumbs. Now for the next finger, let's draw a curve up. And then this time a curved V shape going inwards like this. Now let's draw the next finger underneath with another curved V shape. Then a small curve down. Another curved V shape underneath. And then a larger curve to close off the hands. Lastly, inside the end of each finger, let's add a curve for the fingernail. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move up on top of the back and let's add the vials. Let's start on top of the head and let's draw an angled line up and bring it behind the horns like this. And the same on the right. Now let's hop out and let's draw another angled line in the same way. Then close off the top of each one with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's add another curve at the top. Then let's leave a gap and let's move down and we're going to draw a wavy line across. And then one more curve on top. And that's it for the vials on the back. Now let's move down and finish drawing the body. Let's start in the center under the head and let's draw a large heart shape. Next, let's hop to the sides and inside the arms, let's draw a small angle. Then let's curve it down and bring it in on both sides. Now let's hop into the center, let's move down and let's draw a small curve across. Now underneath, let's add the legs. Let's start with a wavy line down from the outside. And then angles down from the inside. Now at the bottom, let's add the feet. For the inside line, let's draw a curve down and bring it out like this. Now let's add the toes. Let's draw a curved V shape down for the first toe. Then for the next one, let's do the same thing, but starting from the outside leg line. And then one last one at the ends. And lastly, add a curve inside each one for the toenails. And that's it for Infected Dr. Fluffypants. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!